So today I found out people are buying wallpaper. Yes. Okay, that sounded crazy. I mean, like wallpaper on your phones, those wallpapers, and on your desktop. All right. People are buying those in bundles. All right. Seeing it for myself. So, I just guess who about to make some wallpapers. I decided, who else to make wallpaper collages of. I decided I was going to make wallpaper collages. And who else better to make YBLs right now? Okay? Ken Carson and Playboy Cardi. All right? They on fire. So, since they're trending, we might get some of their fans to become some customers. All right? Let's manifest, like, and subscribe, and come on. Like and subscribe, and come on. Okay, so I usually just get some pictures from my iPhone, screenshot them, okay? Screenshot and edit, crop, then AirPlay, okay? I mean, not AirPlay, but AirDrop. Then I AirDrop. All right, so I use my mobile phone to screenshot pictures quickly, especially if I have other tabs going on my computer. I take my iPhone, screenshot pictures, crop them, and then airdrop them to my computer and then transfer them onto wherever I'm editing. I like to make things simpler and efficient, but more efficient and yet more simpler. Okay? Even when I screen record, I mostly sometimes do it from my phone. Okay. Especially if I'm doing something else because it's just quicker and the quality's better when it comes to audio because I don't have a newer iMac. All right? We're not here to judge. I was doing some research today and found out that people buy wallpaper. Content creator. So they're downloaded. Just gonna click this young picture up over here. King Van. So there we have it. First background.